और मेरे को वैसे भी फुल लेंथ जितना लंबा हो सके. It's giving Zubeda. I obviously, like so many others, got drawn into the pant. I don't want to show so much because मेरे को एकदम दोनों में भी हेरोइन नहीं करना. पूरे कमीज और इस पानी वाली सीक्वेंस. Zhuzh up the fabric wherever we can. I'm so excited to be doing another outfit from scratch video, and this one is extra special because it is one for Ramzan Eid. I have two little disclaimers to share with you before we get started with this video. One is that when I actually started filming this video, it wasn't meant to be for Ramzan Eid, but time itna lag gaya ke hote it kind of happened towards that. You will see the flow of this video and a little bit of chaos that ensues through the process. So eventually I decided that itna time lagi gaya to ye main Ramzan Eid ke time pe pehen lungi. And the second disclaimer I have to share with you is a little bit of a pledge to myself more than anything else. You're going to see two outfit from scratch videos in this month in April 2024. This one as well as one more towards the end of the month. I've told myself that after these two videos, any other outfit from scratch video you see, I will do everything myself without Mama's help. Although I do think that she's the queen of outfit from scratch of my life, and she does this for a living, so taking her help, getting her expertise is so precious to me. But I want to challenge myself. I want to step out of the comfort zone. So while I have taken a little bit of her help in today's video and in that next video as well, you will not see me take her help from episode number 4 of Outfit from Scratch. I really hope so. I'm saying it. So I hope you won't hate me if I do happen to make some calls here and there later also. Tell me your thoughts on this particular thing down below in the comments. Is it okay to take help? It's still an outfit from scratch. Question mark. Okay, let's get started on this very chaotic process for this outfit from scratch for Eid. Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited that I'm doing another one of the outfit from scratch videos. This is only the second time that I'm attempting this. If you saw the first one and gave me love because I received so much love on that video, I want to say a big fat thank you. It is because of your love that I'm experiencing a lot more excitement and a little less nervousness. I won't say no nervousness because this is a new arena for me still. I want to keep trying and doing new things and pushing myself out of my usual comfort zone. And I thought this time, considering this is only the second time I'm doing it, I'm already doing an outfit from scratch with a twist. I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel, rung that bell button, all of those cool things. If you do, and if you have watched my videos regularly, you know that I went to Kashmir a few months ago. When I went to Kashmir a few months ago, I obviously, like so many others, got drawn into picking up some beautiful Kashmiri fabrics. These are basically unstitched fabrics. Now, fun fact about me and my mum and our family in general, we have one regular fixed person who comes from Kashmir to Bombay and stays in Bombay for many months, in fact, every year, where we typically order our Kashmiri sets from, ready suits from, हाथ का काम, machine काम, जो चाहिए वो करके या करवा के हमें दे देते हैं. But this time, however, since I was in Kashmir and we were in the market, I wanted to buy a couple of things, which is why I'm here today at my mum's house. This is my brother and bhabhi's room, by the way, because my kapda has been sitting here for a little while, and here it is. So I picked up two unstitched sets, and we're not just going to take these unstitched sets and get them stitched. No, that's not what we're going to do. We're going to zhuzh these up a little bit before we put them in for stitching, which is exactly why I'm at my mom's house today. In case you did not know, my mom is into Indian clothes. She has been into Indian clothes for about 28 years. She also is the owner and designer at Weave Length, a ready-to-wear but still very sustainable natural fabrics brand where I help her on the front end of things like her social media or her PR and things like that. But she is the designer who takes care of everything else on the back end, right? And while she does that, she still continues to do her Indian wear. She's into jewelry as well. She does a lot of custom things in both of these categories. Now, what we decided to do with these two beautiful kapdas over here is we called one of her karigars over, who should be here shortly actually, and we are going to get some काम done on this. One of the ideas that my mom had and that I was instantly on board with was that इनको हम ऐसे ही नहीं सिलाएंगे, हम इनको ना सीक्वेंस से, थोड़ी एम्ब्रॉयडरी और से, थोड़ा काम से, हाईलाइट्स, थोड़े सा प्ले अराउंड करके we'll zhuzh up the fabric wherever we can. So it's not just going from the way it looks to a stylized version in terms of tailoring, but adding that one layer more in the middle. So I really hope you enjoy coming along with me for the process. I am super excited because I love Kashmiri fabrics, and also while I'm in the process of decluttering and just reorganizing my wardrobe and the way I want to style myself, because I go through this every couple of months, to be honest, I feel like I would be so happy if I threw in more casual Indian wear into my regular wardrobe. I love myself in Indian wear. I really truly do, and this is my attempt to that. In case you want to know how much I spent on this, I spent approximately 5,500 rupees on both of these sets, if I remember correctly. I think that material from Kashmir in general is so worth it, and while you may choose between machine or hath ka kaam based on your personal preference or budgets, both of them are still very beautiful. Now I'm gonna go have some water, chill for maybe 10-15 minutes before the karigar comes, and then take you along with me when he does. Before we go any further into this video, I'd like to tell you about a new launch by the Derma Co. Let's take a moment to talk about the Derma Co 1% hyaluronic acid long-lasting sunscreen. This is sweat and water resistant and it leaves no white cast. It comes with SPF 50, PA++++, and protects your skin for up to 6 hours, which I think is really commendable. We're going to truly put this sunscreen to the test and compare it with another one. In this glass, I have a different brand sunscreen, and in this one, we're going to go ahead and put the Derma Co 1% HA long-lasting sunscreen. Let's go ahead and really properly mix these two and see which of these stands the test of time, or should I say stands the test of water. To see whether this is truly sweat and water resistant, they should be able to last well in water as well. I was so pleasantly surprised while filming this because, as you can see, the other one completely dissolved into the water, disintegrated, and you can see that the color of the water is such that you can barely see through. It's become almost opaque. Whereas the glass of water with the Derma Co sunscreen in it has the sunscreen come together at the top, floating on top, which also proves that it's very lightweight, and you can still see right through it, leaving the water as clear as it was. I am so impressed with this and so happy I decided to put it to the test in this fashion. I love that the Derma Co as a brand has empowered over 15,000 students through the Young Scientist Initiative. Every time we order from the brand, they go ahead and link our order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. I think that that's such a fantastic initiative. If you want to go get your hands on the 1% long-lasting HA sunscreen, go ahead and use the links down below, and of course I'm leaving the discount code ANAM2024 on the screen and down below in the description section for you, so you can get a discount on the brand's website. Apart from the brand's website, the product is also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple. Thank you, the Derma Co, for partnering with me for a small portion of today's video. I really enjoy all their formulas, so working with them is always an absolute pleasure. Now, let's get back to the video. Alhamdulillah, कैसे हो? आपका बेटा कैसा है?
IT अभी he will get into his last year of engineering. पूना में ना?
इंशाल्लाह अभी जुलाई तक फिनिश हो जाएगा फोर्थ ईयर.
इसको हटा दे.
It's okay, सो रही है, सोने दो.
नहीं, इसको कुर्सी उधर.
नहीं, रहने दो.
तो तू कहाँ बैठेगी?
मेरे को नहीं बैठना. I'm okay standing. What exactly are we gonna do now इसके साथ?
इसके साथ इसको हाईलाइट करने का है. मतलब जो पहले भी किए हो ना आप सना का भी पीस, बस
कट डाला सीक्वेंस.
इस पे अपन सेल्फ सीक्वेंस करेंगे. ये जो खाली है इसमें भी डालो कट दाना एंड सीक्वेंस. नहीं, इसके ऊपर आई थिंक यू वांट ब्लिंक.
No, I don't want bling.
पानी की सीक्वेंस और कट दाना, ठीक है.
पूरा
यू वांट लिटिल थोड़ा सा माल किधर डालो सिल्वर में. हाँ,
I'm not a fan of silver.
सिल्वर नो. ओके,
जितना सेल्फ हो सके I wear more gold than silver.
ओके.
और सब बुटीज में करूँ कि छोड़ के?
नहीं,
I feel कि सिर्फ नेक पे करेंगे तो भी ठीक है.
नहीं, थोड़ा चाहिए तो एक ऑल्टरनेट करो, चलेगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
I want to be able to also wear it casually.
You can wear it casually. Just alternate motifs.
Bella.
Alternate motifs करेंगे ना, लेकिन कटदाना भी हल्का यूज करो. And पानी वाली sequence.
What is पानी वाली sequence?
Transparent वाली, but of the same color.
हाँ.
Same shade but transparent.
हाँ, perfect. दुपट्टे पे कुछ नहीं कि दुपट्टे?
हाँ, same चीज.
But then इस पे भी बूटियों पे कि only outside पे?
नहीं, इस पे पूरे बॉर्डर पे और मोटी
I don't want
पे
it to become heavy. हाँ.
नहीं, पानी वाली सीक्वेंस doesn't get heavy.
And this one also, shall we leave this as is?
नहीं डाल दो, मैं तो तुम लिए थे, बट इसमें मैं बोलूंगी थोड़ा सा देखो, अभी जो कलर ध्यान में रखो, गोल्ड माल का थोड़ा करो तो ये उठेगा, क्योंकि ये कोई कैजुअल आउटफिट नहीं है, ये तुम पहन सकते हो लाइक ईद बारात में। तो इसमें सीक्वेंस लो, इसमें मेटल सीक्वेंस लो, चलेगा। हाँ
कटदाना लेते हैं गोल्ड में।
हाँ
रेगुलर कटदाना।
हाँ कटदाना लो
और सीक्वेंस सेल्फ में हो जाएगी।
Are you sure this won't look even heavier then? Because then
नहीं, ही इज जस्ट गोइंग टू पुट थोड़ा सा टच।
because मेरे को एकदम दोनों में भी हेरिक
देखो,
ये नहीं करना
पूरे
है।
कमीज में हमें ना यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस का टच देंगे, और ये जो बॉर्डर है उसमें गोल्ड का, नीचे जो बॉर्डर है और यहाँ जो बॉर्डर है उसमें गोल्ड कटदा निकालिए, ठीक है। बाकी और इधर हम सिर्फ सीक्वेंस का टच देंगे।
I just don't want it to land up becoming a heavy outfit because then I won't wear it. I won't. There'll be no repeat value in it.
सिंगल टच करना है, जस्ट वन सीक्वेंस वही कलर का, दैट्स इट, है ना।
I still feel कि ये वाले को नहीं करना चाहिए, सिर्फ उसको करना चाहिए because I feel कि ये by itself इतना भारी है, अगर इसको और हल्का सा भी भारी कर
नहीं,
दिए
यू विल अपलिफ्ट द पीस, थोड़ा सा करना जरूरी है, थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज ऐसे भी तुम कैजुअली नहीं पहनने वाले।
बट ये मैं फिर भी कैजुअल कभी पहन सकती हूँ आगे जाके। आई कैन जस्ट वेयर द कुर्ता एज अ ड्रेस।
ज्यादा वर्क नहीं करूंगा, एकदम लाइट,
थोड़ा सा जो
ना
टच
भी दिखे तो भी चले।
हाँ हाँ, थोड़ा सा टच होना चाहिए।
इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एज नहीं, वो कटवा देंगे ना वहाँ से, क्योंकि अभी तो फिलहाल इधर से थोड़ा वियर्ड लगेगा। माम आई रियली फील ये वाले सूट को नहीं हाथ लगाना चाहिए। आई फील कि वो वाले सूट को करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई फील कि इसका जो रिचनेस है ना, जो शाइन आ रहा है एकदम, वो व्हाटएवर द बेस ऑफ दिस इज लाइक इट्स गिविंग अ रॉ सिल्क टाइप रिफ्लेक्ट। आई फील वो सीक्वेंस में हल्का सा ये हो जाएगा, उस पे भले डालो, दैट आई कैन प्ले अराउंड विद। दिस फील्स हेवी एंड रिच बाय इटसेल्फ। आई फील लाइक आई शुडंट टच दिस ऑनेस्टली।
ओके,
पॉइंट इज आई फील कि इसका वो जो मटेरियल है ना, आई फील इट हैज दिस ब्यूटीफुल शाइन टू इट। आई जस्ट
that
डोंट
shine won't go away.
sorry
That shine won't
no, but it's
go away.
adding to the richness in such a nice way that I feel if we add sequins to it, it'll take away from it. I just feel like this piece should be left as is, and us piece ko if we want to, like, you know, have fun with, that's fine.
Okay.
Not this one. I feel like this should retain its regality.
Okay.
Yeah. Nahi, I feel
ठीक
let's not. This I just really like that classic regalness that this piece has, and I don't want to land up
हाँ ठीक है।
in and
ये
you know
बच्चा,
just because we're excited.
ये देखो, ये
It's
देखो।
okay. वो कुछ नहीं करेगी कैमरा को, nibbles भी करती है। I just don't want to land up touching the regalness of it. That plain simplicity is very. It's giving Zubeda. दो पीस है एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पूरे। आपको अगर लेंथ वेंथ कुछ भी लेनी है तो
मेजरमेंट तो आएगा मम्मा के पास,
हाँ मेरे पास है,
है ना?
हाँ भेज देती हूँ मैं।
लेंथ तो पूरी रखनी पड़ेगी ये।
हाँ मेरे को वैसे भी फुल लेंथ जितना लंबा हो सके। ओके सो आई एम एट माई मम्स हाउस। हाय मम्मी। हाय मम्मी। So the update is that I've gone and given the Master Ji the kapda, but I actually didn't get the time to sit and talk him through what exactly I want to do with
Can
that.
you go at the back?
Yeah,
please?
we can be as comfy as you want to be.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've dropped the kapda to the Master Ji, but I haven't had the time to sit and discuss what exactly the cut and all needs to be. So the idea is to sit with Mama. I have my Kashmiri outfits Pinterest inspo going on over here. I want to figure and see what exactly I want to do, what we can do differently. You guys have seen that we've already added some of the bootas and everything,
Highlights.
the sequence highlights on the outfit. So basically what we need to do now is figure out the cut of how I want him to stitch it. I definitely want a nice loose fit, mummy.
Okay.
I don't want
there was
anything.
embroidery in the front, right?
There was embroidery on the front.
Okay, so
yeah.
do you have a picture of that? You can go bell sleeves.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the embroidery.
Yeah.
And then you want those
The pant I don't want to show so much. I want much less. I want only like, let's say,
Like
the
a
endish to show.
okay,
Like
so
a sharara meets
yeah, but the
pant
shape
vibe.
yeah, shape will be like this.
Ha, that's perfect. Sharara vibes. Wow, much sleek. Where am I going? I am heading to Pradhan at Linking Road. It's in the KFC wala mall. No, it's in the Chroma wala mall. The KFC wala mall is the next one, where we are going to pick up some lace, the Kashmiri outfit that I'm planning to wear for Eid. Cut वाट वो सब तो decide हो गया है, but जो lace के accent से जाके वो select करके टेलर को देने हैं. So that's where I'm meeting Mama directly there also. Next video onwards, I won't take help from Mama. I promise. I've told myself that I'm going to try to do it on my own. It will look really nice. Not finding exactly what I wanted. Mom, you don't feel this pearl finish is mixing with this sequin finish? I don't like this. नहीं वो simple वाला ही दिखाओ ना जो सबसे पहले देख रहे थे वो अच्छा था. Not there were two right? एक ये था और एक और था. Because then the calm also is.
This looks little dainty.
You can go for this. I prefer this design. And color wise also I think this is better.
Yeah. The color, this is also going, see, lilacish. So
You prefer this?
this is because it's dainty.
Then take this.
Like I just feel with the whole outfit. Actually, this is also looking nice.
ये ज़्यादा जा रहा है
ये ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है. नहीं but अच्छी लग रही है. सी ऐसे रखने के बाद that's why when I see अभी ये अच्छी लग रही है.
You guys, I am personally so happy with how this outfit has turned out. I'm feeling so grateful that I get to wear it on Eid. In present day, it is obviously not Eid, but today I'm feeling so prepped, ready, and even more excited for Ramzan Eid. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. There were some bumps along the road, but I think we did just fine. Wishing all of you a very happy Eid. Eid Mubarak. I hope you have the best day, best year. And leave this emoji if you want me to do more outfit from scratch videos on this channel. I really enjoyed this one. I know there is one more outfit from scratch coming for you later in this month, in April. And maybe more if you guys want to watch more. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of your comments. So keep them coming. I can't wait to hear what you think about my Eid outfit from this year. And I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye. Eid Mubarak.